Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's July 17th. Hope you guys had a great weekend here. Beautiful summer weather we're getting here. Hey, sorry beforehand, any noise here in the background. We're kind of dealing with some construction for maybe the next 2 weeks here. So, pardon any intrusion those noise may cause to these recordings here going forward here, but just want to give you a heads up. Today's kind of a late day. We got the Empire State Index. This is manufacturing numbers out of the New York region. So in June we had a 19.8 reading, and for the month of July it dropped down to 9.8. So obviously not good news for manufacturing in the New York region here. The headline news is stock market's currently up. But we got more earnings reports coming up, a lot coming up this week with like a Netflix, and a lot of these big guys are coming out this week. And these will be important primarily because with a lot of delays or even difficulties that a lot of these policies that Trump was trying to implement, especially the tax one is going to be the most important one for investors. They're looking at they're going to wonder, and we're not seeing the greatest data coming out for economic data coming out of late. So they're going to try to really look at these earnings going forward. Are they really doing well, or does it justify the current pricing because they're obviously at all-time highs? Or we could see potentially stocks either go up or down. So these earnings reports, the quarterly earnings reports for this month you're going to see coming out are going to be really driving the market. So you might see a lot of volatility in the stock market as a result of those. Here's the bond market. So today we are up. So as you saw last week, we were way up there. Even touched the 200-day moving average, pulled back. We did close up above from Thursday's numbers, but today we started higher. So we're still up. We're up about 7 basis points. So right now there's no difference in terms of what the pricing is. As you can see, we even were lower at one point and pulled back. So right now we're only about 7 basis points higher than where we left off on Friday, which is still good news. But of course, we like to see this continue. So right now we're starting to get a trend upwards here a little bit, which is kind of helping us out here, even though we see a couple of days where we're down, but we started the days higher. So that's what's kind of helping us out overall, and it's still keeping us in line with these trend upwards here, upward trend. All right, so we got pricing's not really any different since it really hasn't gone up more than 12 basis points. We're only at right now about 7 basis points. So I would say about this very similar to what we saw on Friday, pricing wise, after the price change here, because East Coast they start off way up here, and that's when they got their pricing. But the time West Coast here got their pricing, we were already down here. So we're kind of about the same where we left off with the West Coast here. All right, folks. So, but that pretty much concludes it. We'll kind of keep this short and sweet for you guys. But if you guys want more updates, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork, and I will post more on Twitter as it comes out. Any more economic news, feel free to stop by there. If you guys are in the market for a mortgage, please feel free to reach out. I can help you out in that regard as well. We do purchase loans as well as refinance loans. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching again. We'll see you guys tomorrow.